Now, another way to discover common vulnerabilities is to utilize a network vulnerability scanner. In this video, we'll show you how to install Nessus Essentials, a free vulnerability scanner used by many IT professionals, and then we will go ahead and scan our target VM to see what kind of vulnerabilities we can discover. Now let's go ahead and download Nessus Essentials to our Kali Linux VM. First, we'll go to Google and type in Nessus Essentials download. We'll go ahead and click Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. Tenable Nessus Essentials. Now we're going to need to put a business email so we can get an activation code. So I'll go ahead and just put Richard. Let's do fake email at yopmail.com. Let's see if that works. Now we'll go ahead and download Nessus. And then we'll have to check our email address. I used the temporary email. That way I didn't have to use my own personal email for this demo. Now, Nessus 10, that's going to be the latest one. Nessus Ubuntu. That's good. Let's go ahead and download it. I agree. Now, while that's downloading, let's go ahead and go to our temporary email. And then let's go ahead and grab our activation code. Go ahead and click copy. Now it looks like we have the file downloaded. Let's go to the folder. Let's go ahead and open up File Explorer, navigate to our downloads folder. Nessus Debian install, or let's do dpkg-i and then the Nessus file. Let's go ahead and zoom this in for you guys a little bit. Now it's going to unpackage the Nessus file and install it. Give that a second or two to run. So now we can start the scanner by typing the following. Let's go ahead and type this, or just copy and paste it. And then go to the following URL. Go ahead and copy. Then we'll go ahead and paste it. Let's go ahead and grab my activation code again. Now you'll see this warning, potential security risk ahead. Go ahead and just click advanced, and then we can just accept the risk and continue. Basically, we just need a proper TLS or SSL certificate, which is fine. It's just going to be running locally on our Kali Linux, so it's fine. We don't really need a new certificate. So now it's going to upgrade the database. It's initializing everything. Now it says, welcome to Nessus. Since we have internet connection, we don't have to register offline, so we can just go ahead and continue. Let's go ahead and click on register for Nessus Essentials. Let's go ahead and try to zoom in on that. You get an activation code. We already got one, so we can skip this part. Let's go ahead and paste our activation code. Hit continue. There's a license information. Continue. Now let's create a tenable username. We'll just go ahead and call it Nessus, and then whatever password you want. Now the setup is complete. Now it's initializing. It's going to download all the updates and plugins it needs. Again, it may be wise to go ahead and take a coffee break. This might take a minute, so we'll see you back when it finishes. And while this is doing its thing, you may lose connection to the actual Tenable console, but that's okay. That means it's probably just rebooting, loading up, and upgrading and installing all the updates. So now we see it's rebooted, and now we are presented with the Tenable Nessus Essentials console. So now we installed Nessus. Let's go ahead and scan our target machine. We'll go ahead and do that in the next video.